Well, guys, as I told you, here you have the explanation of the quantifiers. Well, to start with, I will tell you that the words we are going to learn are basically two. We have two and enough. These two words can be used with adjectives and nouns. The meaning of the word two is demasiado, and the meaning of the word enough means suficiente or suficientemente. It's very important the fact that the word two has a negative meaning. Let's start with two. Two can be used with adjectives in the following order. Two plus adjective. As I said before, two has a negative meaning. So it's going to mean demasiado. More than we want. Más de lo que queremos. Demasiado. Siempre es algo negativo. Let's have a look at these three examples. It's too cold outside. I'll stay home. Hace demasiado frío fuera, así que me quedaré en casa. The book is too long to read in a day. El libro es demasiado largo para leerlo en un día. No es muy largo. It's not very long. It is too long. Es demasiado. Negativo. And that dress is too short. You shouldn't wear it. Ese vestido es demasiado corto, no deberías ponértelo. Otra vez, demasiado. Significado negativo. Apart from adjectives, we can also use to with nouns. But in this case, we have to take more aspects into account. We can use to with countable and uncountable nouns. So we will use much or many. With countable nouns, which are those nouns that can appear in plural form, we will use many. And with uncountable nouns, we will use much. The main problem will be how to recognize them, but that's another story. Well, let's have a look at this table. Here you have a couple of examples of how to use too much and too many. In the case of countable nouns, we have two examples. There are too many books on the shelf. Hay demasiados libros en la estantería. Demasiados, por lo tanto, tendrá una consecuencia negativa. Too many people are smoking here. I cannot breathe. Hay demasiada gente o demasiada gente está fumando aquí. No puedo respirar. That's the consequence. Esa es la consecuencia. On the other side, we have uncountable nouns with too much. I can't drink this coffee. It has too much sugar. No puedo beberme este café. Tiene demasiado azúcar. There's too much rice on my plate. I won't eat it all. Hay demasiado arroz en mi plato. No me lo comeré todo. Okay? It's very important to place much or many. Otherwise, we won't have the meaning we want to have. Es muy importante poner el much o el many porque el to seguido de un nombre, de un sustantivo, no tendría ningún significado. Y con esto pasamos a enough. Okay, how to use enough? We can use enough or not enough. ¿Vale? Podemos usar enough o not enough. Y lo usamos de una manera distinta, okay? We have to be careful because we change the order. We have to write the adjective before the word enough. In this case, this word refers to the limit of the quantity that we want we establish. Suficiente, decimos suficiente porque previamente hemos establecido el límite que queremos. Yo quiero 50, si me das 60, tengo suficiente. Okay? Let's see these examples. I am strong enough to carry those bags. Soy lo suficientemente fuerte para llevar esas bolsas. ¿Vale? Aquí a la hora de traducir enough no traducimos como suficiente, sino como suficientemente. The second example. Her suitcase is big enough for all her clothes. Su maleta es lo suficientemente grande para toda su ropa. ¿Vale? Suficiente o suficientemente porque hemos establecido un límite. al menos tiene que caber su ropa. Es lo suficientemente grande para su ropa. And the tickets are not cheap enough for me. Las entradas no son lo suficientemente baratas para mí. Yo tengo 10 euros, las entradas valen 15, no es lo suficientemente barato. The tickets are not too cheap, they are not cheap enough, they are too expensive. Y por último, tenemos enough. Enough that can be followed by nouns. In this case, we have the ordinary order of the sentence, so we write enough plus nouns. Escribimos el enough seguido de el sustantivo. En este caso, sin hacer referencia a si es contable o no contable. We make no difference. And here we have some examples. En este caso, si se traduce como suficiente o suficientes. There are 7 students and I've got 8 books. There are enough books for everyone. Hay 7 estudiantes, tengo 8 libros, hay suficientes libros para cada uno. And there's enough water for you and me. Hay agua suficiente para ti y para mí. Well, this is the explanation of the second part of the grammar of the unit. I think it's quite simple. If you need more resources or more material, more explanations, just let me know. And here I have shown you the homework you should do. For the first group of the class, you should do page 23, exercise 5. And you should also do the page 17 on your workbook, apart from the page 15. And that's pretty much. I hope you have a nice week. And if you need anything, just let me know. Bye-bye.